Hello from Seoul. Do you like bulgogi? What about noodles? Bulgogi? Good. Noodles? Nice. Then what if I combine those two? I know it's hard to believe, but it's a real thing. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, we're gonna be making bulgogi noodles, the iconic Korean beef dish combined with nice and chewy noodles. Is that anything you don't love? No, I don't think so. And the best thing about this dish is it's super easy to make, so buckle up. For this, you will need noodles, onion, carrot, garlic chives, mushrooms, green onions, and some beef. Since it's bulgogi noodles, I've got some beef just to make it classic. But you could also use any other protein like chicken or pork. So just use what you have. Our superhero bulgogi sauce will take care of everything. Alright, let's start with the vegetables. First, slice half an onion. Not too thin, not too thick. If it's too thick, your girlfriend may not want to talk to you because of your breath. Or you may not want to talk to her. Don't get me wrong. That's not my story. Next, slice some carrot into thin matchsticks. This bad boy doesn't affect the taste, so totally optional. But this is gonna make it look a lot more fancy, so let's not skip the carrot. We are grown-ups. Once that's done, take 4 button mushrooms and thinly slice them. The combination of our bulgogi sauce and mushroom, that's just amazing. So I really hope you use some. Normally, I like to use shiitake mushroom, but button mushroom is also gonna be great with bulgogi. So don't worry about it. Let me prove it in a few minutes. And then cut some garlic chives into long strips. We don't need a lot, we just need a small amount. But if you really don't wanna buy it, then you can replace it with our love, green onion. No problem at all. This time, let's chop some green onions. As always, to boost up the flavor, we're gonna make green onion oil with the white part and use the green part for garnish. So make sure to put them separately. What? You wanna have bulgogi with lots and lots of veggies? Then bring them all. Broccoli, asparagus, everything will work fantastic. But rather than cooking them all together, I'll recommend you cook them separately and serve them at the end as a garnish. Because if you cook the beef with lots of veggies, a lot of juice will come out and they can dilute the real taste of bulgogi. And then cut 300 grams of thinly sliced beef into nice bite-sized pieces. It doesn't need to be paper thin, but if you could use some bulgogi cut like this, that will dramatically cut down your cooking time. So if there's a Korean grocery store near your place, it'll be so worth a visit. You're welcome, H-Mart. Once that's done, let's move on to the sauce. To a small container, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, a few shakes of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Normally, when we make bulgogi, we combine the beef with the marinade and store it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. But we can't wait that long, especially after a long day of work, right? So let's just start cooking. Don't worry about it. With me, you'll still get the best result. Alright, bring a pot of water to a boil. And once it starts to boil, cook your noodles according to the package instructions. Any kind of noodles would work, but I'm gonna go with the udon noodles. I hope our taste tester is okay with this. Anyways, when the noodles are cooked, take them out and set them aside. Now into a wok or pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the white parts of the green onions and make green onion oil for about 30 seconds. Once you can smell the beautiful aroma, increase the heat to medium-high, add in your beef and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. The beef is halfway done. Let's bring our mushrooms, onion, carrot and give them a good stir for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now increase the heat to high, add in our cooked noodles and the sauce and toss everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. But if you make it more pretty, like you've seen on TV, or you wanna open your own restaurant with this, then add half a teaspoon of this dark soy sauce. Here, some of you might say, Aaron, that's not Korean condiment. What are you doing? Yes, you're right. but the small amount of dark soy sauce will give it a beautiful color without changing the flavor. So you don't have to worry about it. When the beef is cooked through and the noodles look fantastic, turn the heat off and add some garlic chives. We gotta do this with the remaining heat to keep its beautiful color and texture. Last but not least, drizzle a little bit of toasted sesame oil. This will make it more glossy and take it to the next level. Alright, it's time to plate this up. Let's get some onto a plate and finish it up with some green onions and toasted sesame seeds. How was it? It was so easy and looks absolutely delicious, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester. Claire?
윤기 나는 게 아주 맛있어 보이는구만. I know how good it is, but I've never tried this with udon noodles because Aaron usually make this with spaghetti noodles. So I can't wait to try. Let's give it a shot. 맛있겠다. 냄새 기가 막히네. 오, 와, 고기 큰 거 봐라. 불고기, you never let me down. Ready? 역시 고기가 큼직큼직은 하지만 그래도 얇아서 부드럽게 씹는 데 있어서 전혀 불편함 없이 너무 맛있고, 그리고 이 불고기 특유의 약간의 아주 슬라이트한 달콤함이랑 그 짭조름함 너무 좋아. 향이 너무 입에서 그냥 향기로워. 맛있어. This time let's try with noodles. 면이랑 같이 먹으니까 진짜 더 맛있어. 그리고 우동면으로 하니까 내가 항상 말하잖아. 약간 두꺼워서 되게 만족스럽다니까 뭔가? 그 마우스페어. 뭔가 그 입에서 느껴지는 그 느낌이 다른 게, 색다른 게 너무 재밌어. chewy and bouncy. So good. 우리 원래 스파게티 면에다 할 때는 위에다 치즈 좀 뿌려서 먹는 거 되게 좋아하잖아. 여기에도 치즈가 좀 어울릴까? Alright, let's try with some parmesan. 스파게티 면보다는 확실히 안 어울릴 것 같긴 해. 그래도 한번 해보는 거지 뭐. 응? 내가 한번 테스트 해보는 거지. 오, 꼬릿꼬릿한 냄새가 추가가 됐어. Ready? 괜찮다. 면이 문제가 아니네. 그냥 불고기 소스랑 치즈는 무조건 잘 어울리네. 안 했었으면 큰일 날 뻔했어. I need to try this mushroom because it's very rare to see him using different kinds of mushroom. 자기 원래 맨날 표고버섯만 쓰는 사람이잖아. 양송이 버섯도 잘 어울리는지 보겠다. 근데 왜 이렇게 조그만 걸 썼어? 뭐 안 어울릴래 안 어울릴 수가 없지. 그냥 맛있네. 내가 너무 맛있게 먹어서 이게 되게 완벽해 보이긴 하겠지만 I know he missed something. That is 김치! 아니 한국 음식을 먹는데 김치가 빠졌다는 이 말이나 돼? Bring some 김치!
Today, I showed you how to make stir-fried noodles with Korean bulgogi. Before you watch this video, I'm pretty sure you might be like, making Korean food? I don't know. I'm just gonna go grab it from a restaurant. Do you still feel that way? I don't think so. So grab an apron and run to your kitchen. If you do, you will taste one of the easiest but the most satisfying meals that you ever had. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.